Oh, you're back. I guess you realized we were doing the Indian food tonight, right? So I did a video on my naan bread and it's still rising. It's almost ready to start frying up. But I'm going to go ahead and put this butter chicken together. And I made my homemade sauce. You can buy a packet. Pardon me. You can buy a packet of that, but I have all the seasonings, and so I just make it here at home. And I put it together yesterday, so it's been marinating overnight. So I'm just going to pop out my lemon here and throw this away real quick. So I pretty much just throw this together. And I'll tell you what's in here. This is chicken breast, and you can use chicken thighs as well. And I happen to have two chicken breast thawed. So I threw in some ginger, some tomato paste right here, some chili, turmeric, cumin, a tablespoon and a half, I think, of some fresh lemon juice, and then I put the lemons in there for overnight, and some coriander, and some fresh crushed tomatoes, and some onions. I wrote down what I put in here. I mean, you can look a recipe up online if you want to get it nitty gritty, but this is how I make mine. And I am going to add some tahini sauce as well. So I'm going to go ahead and heat up my butter. And I'm going to pull my chicken out because I'm going to puree this. So just give me a second to get this prepped and we'll get started. So I went ahead and pulled that chicken out. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the rest of this tomato sauce or tomato paste that was left over from the other day. And use that up. My butter's getting ready to melt inside here. And I'm going to add in some tahini. Make sure you always shake it because it does settle. You can also use fresh ground cashews, but I didn't have cashews, so I'm substituting with this tahini sauce, which is fine. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up. You would not believe how good my kitchen smells right now. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. Put my chicken in. I really recommend that you let this marinate overnight because it actually really, the lemon juice in there, the acid from the lemon juice really helps so much on tenderizing this chicken. So I really would not miss this overnight, at least 12 hours marinating. You can use heavy cream or milk. I don't happen to have any heavy cream in my house right now, so I can substitute with milk. Not a problemo at all. I would prefer the heavy cream, but I'm not going to the store tonight. It's like 3 degrees out or something, I think. So we'll just cook this until the chicken's done, and we'll fry up our bread. Got my rice ready. So stick around. We need to thinly roll this out. My iron skillet's getting close to being hot enough. Turn it up a little bit. And boy, this is smelling delicious. So we'll start frying this up here in a second. I did turn my oven on the lowest temperature because I'm going to wrap these in foil and keep them warm until I'm ready to serve them. This is just simmering right now. This is done. Chicken's done. Oh my gosh. That is so, so good. So I'm just going to take some melted butter and put it on the top of this first one. And I rolled it out just a little bit thicker than I should have. I rolled this next one out a little bit thinner. And I'm going to put a tiny bit of garlic on there. A little bit of parsley. In my oven on the lowest temperature. Time to plate up. Here's my buttered chicken, homemade Indian food. So you know what time it is. It's time for me to go. I gotta eat it while it's piping hot, right? So, hope you give it a try sometime. It's really good. Thanks for joining me. Bye.